Hello friends, welcome back to the HM Business Flip, a source for everything you need to know about starting and growing your own business using machines from Alibaba and Amazon. As we always say, whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner looking for new ideas, this channel definitely provides you with valuable insights and practical tips to help you succeed. Subscribe now and join our growing community of business enthusiasts. Here is part 3 of the top 5 business machines to invest in and start making money. 1. Noodle making machine. The noodle machines are used to produce different types of noodles, including wheat, rice, and egg noodles. These machines streamline the noodle production process, ensuring high efficiency, consistency, and quality while producing different types of noodles such as spaghetti, fettuccine, soba, udon, and ramen, thus creating noodles with varying ingredients and flavors to cater to diverse consumer preferences. Noodle making machines can be a profitable venture due to the high demand for noodles as a staple food in many cultures, and it's a relatively cheap and an easy meal to make. Noodles are a staple in many diets, and this ensures consistent demand. Noodles can be used in various dishes and cuisines, hence increasing market potential. The primary ingredients, flour, water, and salt, are affordable and readily available, making it a cheaper business to start. Can be sold in supermarkets, restaurants, food trucks, and online platforms. Machine price start from $1,000. Noodle making machines are essential for efficiently producing high-quality noodles, offering numerous benefits such as high productivity, consistent quality, cost-effective production, and the ability to meet diverse market demands. Investing in these machines can provide significant economic opportunities for businesses, allowing them to capitalize on the continuous demand for noodles in various culinary contexts. 2. Wall plastering machine. Wall plastering machines, also known as rendering robots or wall mortar cement spray plaster machines, are specialized to apply plaster onto walls and ceilings, ensuring an even and smooth finish. These machines are widely used in the construction and renovation industries to improve efficiency and quality in plastering work. Investing in wall plastering machine guarantees speed and accuracy, hence reducing the need for rework and time wastage. Less manual labor is required, which can lower labor costs. They are good at plastering the interior and exterior walls of residential, commercial, and industrial buildings, replastering old or damaged walls to restore their appearance and structural integrity. Ideal for use in large-scale construction projects such as apartment complexes, office buildings, and infrastructure developments. Suitable for applying various types of plaster, including cement, lime, gypsum, and polymer-based plasters. Wall plaster machines like the rendering robots goes for around $10,000 and are automated to move vertically and horizontally along walls, while the spray plaster machines for $2,000 and use a spraying mechanism to apply plaster to walls. Investing in a wall plastering machine improves the efficiency and quality of your plastering projects, ultimately enhancing your business's profitability and reputation. 3. 3D wall printing machine. 3D wall printers are advanced machines capable of creating intricate designs and artworks directly on walls, which gives a unique opportunity in the fields of interior design, advertising, and custom art. These machines offer clients bespoke wall designs, murals, and artworks tailored to their preferences. With this machine, commercial businesses looking for innovative advertising and branding solutions are a ready market for your products, given quality, efficiency, consistency is maintained. Machine can printing custom murals, artwork, and decorative patterns on interior walls in homes, offices, and commercial spaces, can create large-scale advertisements and promotional graphics on the walls of retail stores, shopping malls, and public spaces. Produce temporary or permanent wall art for events such as weddings, exhibitions, and trade shows, printing educational content, motivational quotes, and decorative elements in schools, universities, and libraries. Enhancing the ambience of hotels, restaurants, and cafes with custom wall art and themes, and are capable of printing on various wall surfaces, including concrete, wood, tiles, glass, and metal. Machine price start from $3,000. Investing in a 3D wall printing machine can enhance the visual appeal of spaces, streamline the decoration process, and provide unique and durable wall art solutions that will earn you plenty of money. 4. Vibrating concrete screed machine. Vibrating concrete screed machine is an essential tool in the construction industry for leveling and smoothing concrete surfaces. The machine uses vibrations to settle the concrete and remove excess water, ensuring a flat and even surface. Ideal for leveling concrete slabs for floors, driveways, patios, and foundations, used in the construction of roads and highways to ensure a smooth and level surface. Suitable for large surface areas like parking lots and industrial floors, providing a consistent finish, and can also create even and safe surfaces for pedestrian pathways. The machines ensures maximum returns on investments due to the efficiency and speed of the machine to level and smoothen concrete surfaces faster, which means more profits for you with low labor costs. Machine is suitable for various concrete projects, including floors, pavements, and foundations for both small and large-scale construction projects. The machines are versatile and easy to use, making them valuable assets for a wide range of concrete construction projects. By investing in vibrating concrete screed machines, you can easily tap into a growing market for efficient and high-quality concrete finishing services, creating a successful and profitable business. 5. Snow removal electric shovel. This is a lightweight, handheld machine designed to clear snow from driveways, sidewalks, decks, and other small to medium-sized areas. Electric shovels are versatile tools designed for various tasks, including snow removal, food paving and drying, dust accumulation, shoveling on construction sites, and cleaning farm manure. This portable electric dozer can work continuously for more than 5 hours on a single charge. They are quieter and produce zero emissions at the point of use. This machine clears snow faster than manual shovels. It's lightweight and easy to handle. Machine quickly clears snow from driveways and sidewalks, making them safe and accessible. Ideal for removing snow from decks, patios, and other outdoor living spaces without damaging the surface. Snow removal electric shovels are efficient, user-friendly tools designed to make snow clearing tasks easier and quicker. They offer numerous benefits, including ease of use, efficiency, portability, and environmental friendliness. Starting business with these machines ascertains profitability and scalability due to its simple use and portability. It can easily be rented out. The costs of these machines start from $1,000, so there you have it again, the 5 money-making machines that you can buy and start making money from the yard of your home or your garage. Please share with us in the comment section which business idea you wish to do, or which other machine types you want us to talk about, and which one do you intend to buy. If you were to start your business, let us know in the comments, and see you in the next video. Adios.